what kind of GM will you be? Because I've been seeing a lot of hopes and the mga wish po, no? Now that you're the MMDA GM, sana daw huliin yung mga ganito, huliin daw sana yung ganito ganyan sa mga kalsada. What's your priority, sir, now that you are in the MMDA?
Sometimes, sa mga ganyang mga tanong, ang gusto ko na lang, tanong nyo lang sa akin, yung flood control na lang. Kahit na wala akong alam, palagay ko makapaghanap pa ako ng sagot eh. Pero sa mga tanong nyo, kung anong problema natin dyan sa traffic, parang wala rin ako may sagot eh. But seriously speaking, in the past few days, this is my second week. This is my full second week. And we are doing some things, some experimenting. Today, this coming Sunday, yung Quezon Avenue naman na corner dito ng Skyway ang ating titingnan. Pero sa ngayon, ang natapos na natin, the third day na ng ating experiment, shinorten natin ang bus lane barriers dyan sa northbound lane ng EDSA after ng SM Mega Mall. Merong pa-exit dyan na galing sa Bank Drive na mga sasakyan, nagkukos ng traffic dahil nag-constrict din on the left side. If you're facing north, ang left side yan, nag-constrict ang bus lane sapagkat ongoing ang the construction of the carousel is ongoing. So they have heavy equipment in the place, so they have to take some lanes of EDSA. So we shortened the bus lane barrier so that those cars going left to Green Hills can already position themselves and take the flyover when they reach the flyover at the EDSA Ortigas intersection.
Okay, that is the bane of my existence because it really is a bottleneck, but also yan yung pain point rin yan ni Sec Vince, 'di ba? Yung masikip kasi yung daanan dun sa MRT, yung hagdan dun sa may ADB. What are your plans for commuters, for pedestrians? Sir, I think yun yung mga taong umaasa po sa inyo kasi daw po kamal na kamay na bakal, no, si General Torre.
I-advertise ko ang Facebook ko. They can follow my Facebook because I'm posting things there daily together with the MMDA Facebook. May mga images and videos from the command center na pina-flash namin doon para we can inform the public kung ano ang mga ginagawa ng MMDA, mga minute changes muna. Tinitingnan natin minute changes. Yung southbound lane, for example, yung after ng Camp Crame, may konting bottleneck dyan na nagagawa after nung Connecticut because of the cars exiting Green Hills and through Connecticut dyan sa may gasolinahan. So again, we shortened also the bus lane barriers so that lumuwag ng konti ang kalsada so that all those cars going left to Ortigas can already position themselves and it will make the flow a little bit faster.
And general, ang problema kasi talaga, no, especially along EDSA, is the volume of cars and vehicles. Are you studying making any changes doon sa number coding scheme?
Wala pa sa the changes in the number coding scheme is not yet on the table. This coming 22nd of November, of January, this 22nd of this month, I am set to meet with the National Center for Transportation Studies of the University of the Philippines. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, hahanapan natin ng solusyon ito. Pag hindi na natin hahanapan ng solusyon ito, palagi ko wala ng solusyon ito. Kayo na ang pinakamagaling dito eh. Ito na yung UP National Center for Transportation Studies. So, medyo naghahanap na tayo ng lifelines sa mga experts talaga. So, we're also using the visual simulators na meron ang MMDA ngayon. Kaya kung may mga changes kami dyan na ginagawa, sinasimulate muna namin through computers using the data like the vehicle counters in the specific roads that we are studying para bago natin i-implement medyo may visualize na natin at may in-expect na tayong outcome. At pag ang outcome sa ground ay the same with what the computer generates, then we'll make it maybe permanent.
So there are naman small things that can be done to ease the pain that commuters are going through?
Yeah. Kaya medyo site-specific muna kami ngayon. Tinitingnan namin muna yung mga eksaktong yung headaches Ayan, yung nakikita yata, sinushow nyo yata yung EDSA ba yan? Kasi sa EDSA talaga is the main artery of Metro Manila. Kaya pinofokusan natin dahil pag mapaluwag natin ang EDSA, it is expected also na luluwag din ang iba pang mga tributaries niya, mga intersections niya.